Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, distinguished guests, respected management, proud parents, PTA members, and my dear students. I'm Shamana Qureshi, and I feel absolutely privileged and deeply honored to stand here before you as the host of today's monumental function. There is a moment of immense pride for all of us as we gather to witness a new milestone in our institution's journey, the grand inauguration of our AI Robotics Lab. Let us invoke the blessings of the Almighty. I invite Master Najib Muhammad Abdul Haq of Standard 7B to recite a few verses from Quran.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألهاكم التكاثر حتى زرتم المقابر كلا سوف تعلمون ثم كلا سوف تعلمون كلا لو تعلمون علم اليقين لترون الجحيم ثم لترونها عين اليقين ثم لتسألن يومئذ عن النعيم. صدق الله العظيم.
Our respected President, Dr. Badri Patel, for the guest introduction.
Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, everyone. I welcome our today's dignitaries, parents, teachers, and students. Today is a memorable occasion for Alpha English High School. Today's guests are Mr. Amit Dhakras, Samina Sheikh, Ramiz Manyar, and our CRC head, Mrs. Samina Patel. Mrs. Kanchan Kulkarni was also expected, but she had to go to Delhi, so she is not be coming today. Today is not only just the opening of AI lab or a robotic lab. It is a step ahead. The normal education like related to the books and teaching, Alpha has taken a step ahead. We would want to teach children not of today but of future preparation. We want to make them prepared for future.
Okay.
The education goes beyond textbooks. An education that nurtures curiosity, creativity, critical thinking, and lifelong learning. I now request Dr. Tahir Jangir to give a floral bouquet to our today's chief guest, Amit Dhakras. He, along with the support of Shifa Paule, took initiative to clean the drains of our area. Safety and cleanliness in our area is the main thing which they are looking for, and I look forward for such continuous effort from your side. Our today's next guest, Samina Sheikh. I request Dr. Aisha to felicitate her with a floral bouquet. She is also a cooperator who was a well-wisher of Alpha English High School. Garbage, Kacharkundi and all, she had also taken a good interest in cleaning in our area. Thank you, Dr. Samina. I now request Dr. Khalid to felicitate Corporator Ramiz Manyar. He is also a young, dynamic corporator of our area who had been involved in many activities, social activities of our area. I now request Dr. Sharif to welcome Shifa Paule with a floral bouquet. She is also an enthusiastic social service person who takes interest in our Alpha English High School's activities in keeping the surrounding clean. I would now like to appreciate our dedicated teaching staff who has been the key player of our Alpha English High School. We have teachers who have taken lot of interest, and especially in framing of this robotic lab, our computer teacher Kutsia. She started with a robotic summer camp. Seeing the interest of the students, we thought we would take a step ahead and start a robotic and AI lab. And Faisal, who is the main person in looking after the school activities.
Okay.
And I cannot forget our principals. They are the pillar of Alpha English High School along with you all teachers. Thank you.
I now request Dr. Mursaleen to please welcome the PA of Amit Dhakras sir, Nilesh Ahire. The PA of Amit Dhakras sir, we welcome. Next I request again Mursaleen doctor to welcome Azhar Qazi. Mr. Azhar Qazi. I also request Vikas Patil sir. I request Baba Joshi sir to please come forward. Audience, please give him a huge round of applause. The person who has taken lots of efforts to come over here. Thank you, sir. Next we have Mukim Sheikh. Next we have Samina Sheikh's husband, that is Mr. Irfan Sheikh. And Feroz Sheikh, brother of Mrs. Samina Sheikh. Now we have the PA of Ramiz Manyar sir, Hamid Sheikh. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Thank you Dr. Mursaleen. The true heart of this lab is our students who are ready to leap into the future to share their excitement and thoughts on this new AI robotics journey. I would now like to invite our students for their speeches. So first I welcome Sheikh Hamza Feroz from Standard 6 to deliver a speech.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to all. Respected honorable guests, respected school management members, principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. My name is Sheikh Hamza Feroz and I am the student of grade 6. It is a great honor for me to speak on this special occasion as we inaugurate our robotics and AI lab. So, this lab is a place where we will learn, create and discover new ideas. Robotics and artificial intelligence are shaping the future and we are proud that our school is giving us the chance to learn these exciting technologies. On behalf of all the students, I thank to school management members, principal and teacher for making our dream come true. We promise that we use this lab responsibly and make the best use of this wonderful opportunity. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you, Hamza. Next we have Sheikh Alfia from Standard 8A.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Respected chief guest, our honorable principal, respected teacher, parents and all my dear friends. My name is Sheikh Alfia Zamir from 8A. It is a great honor to be stand here before memorable occasion inauguration AI and Robotics Lab. I had a wonderful opportunity to participate in summer camp. During the summer camp, I learned how robots are designed and how sincerely motor can work and how can do teamwork. Can simple ideas turn into amazing projects. My experiments made me realize that technology is not just about machines. It's about creating improvement solution in our life. Thank you everyone. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Alfia. Next, we have Karte Hadi from 6th B.
Good afternoon, respected principal, teachers, honorable guests, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Karte Abdul Hadi and I am a student of grade 6. I feel very happy to welcome you all to the inauguration of Robotics and AI Lab. I was lucky to attend our robotics summer camp. During the camp, I learned how to build robots, connect sensors, and write simple programs. It was fun because we learned by doing. It made me more confident and excited towards science and technology. Our new lab will help us to learn new skills such as creativity, teamwork, problem solving, and innovation. We are thankful to our school management, our principal, and our teachers for giving us this wonderful opportunity. Thank you everyone for being here. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Hadi. That was such a fantastic speech. And last but not the least, we have Sheikh Kashif from 7th B to deliver a speech.
Good afternoon to everyone. Respected chief guests, principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. It is a great honor for me to speak on this special occasion of the inauguration of our robotics lab. Robotics is an exciting field where science, technology, engineering, and mathematics come together. In this lab, we will learn to build robots, solve real-life problems, and develop important skills like creativity, teamwork, and critical thinking. The robotics lab is not just a room with machines. It is a place where our ideas can turn into reality. It will inspire us to explore, experiments, and prepare for the future. On behalf of all the students, I sincerely thank our school management, respected principal, teachers, and everyone who made this wonderful lab as possible. So let us make the best use of this opportunity and continue learning, creating, and innovating. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Kashif. Now we also have a member from our parents who is willing to speak something. I request Farid Sabah to please come forward.
Assalamualaikum to all parents and management, staff, and Alpha School's teachers and respected principals. Thank you to Alpha School and staff for inauguration the robotic lab for our children's bright future. On behalf of all parents, we sincerely thank the management and staff for our dedications, hard work, and continuous support. Your care, guidance, and commitment to our children's education and overall development are truly appreciated. We are thankful and grateful for everything you do. Jazakallah khair.
Thank you, ma'am.
I now request our today's guest, Hamid Dakras, to say a few words.
प्रथम आज मैनेजमेंट और सभी डॉक्टरों ने बड़ा ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो खड़ा किया है वो तो सभी लोगों ने मुझे आज इधर बुलाया, इसलिए वो सब लोगों को बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ। और यहाँ ऐसा स्कूल बन सकता है ये देख के आज मैं इतना स्कूल को खुशनसीब समझता हूँ कि मोहल्ले में बाकी सब जगह डेवलपमेंट नहीं है, लेकिन स्कूल एक अच्छा फाइट कर सकता है केसी गांधी जैसे स्कूल को इतनी टेक्निक से भरा हुआ है। मैंने ऊपर जाके भी देखा, एक बेसिक नीड जो एजुकेशन के लिए होती है वो सभी भरी हुई है स्कूल में। मैं भी एक इंजीनियर हूँ, तो रोबोट, कंप्यूटर और एआई, ये इससे मैं बहुत जानकारी रखता हूँ। और इस समय इस लेवल पे आपको इस तरह की सुविधा इस स्कूल ने आपको दी है, इसके लिए मैं स्कूल को भी धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगा। और आप सभी लोगों को जो इधर पढ़ रहे हैं, आप बहुत ही खुशनसीब होते, अच्छे कल्चर में आप पढ़ रहे हो, एक अच्छे एजुकेशन लेवल में आप सभी पढ़ रहे हो। तो इधर का कॉर्पोरेट, हम सभी कॉर्पोरेट इस स्कूल को कुछ ना कुछ जो भी डेवलपमेंट रहेंगी, कुछ भी मदद रहेगी, हमारे तरफ से हम आपको करते रहेंगे। और इसी 2 शब्द से मैं अपना ये स्पीच खत्म करता हूँ और आप सभी लोगों को वापस धन्यवाद देता हूँ।
थैंक यू सर। हम एक्सपेक्ट कर रही हैं आपसे कि हमारी स्कूल पे जो आप टेस्ट कर सकते हो प्लीज हेल्प करें। जरूर। थैंक यू। अभी मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ समीना सिंह से।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। जैसे कि आप में से कई पेरेंट्स को पता होगा कि मेरा खुद का बेटा इसी स्कूल में पढ़ता है और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अब ये स्कूल के साथ हमारे 4 साल कंप्लीट हो गए हैं और इन 4 सालों में मैंने इसको सिर्फ आगे बढ़ते हुए देखी। और मैं अल्लाह से यही दुआ करूंगी कि हमारी स्कूल, हमारी अल्फा इंग्लिश हाई स्कूल इसी तरीके से हर लेवल पे आगे बढ़ते रहे। आज इन्होंने रोबोटिक एंड एआई लैब का इनॉग्रेशन कर रहे हैं हमारे स्कूल की तरफ से। और मैं इसी तरह चाहूंगी कि हमारी स्कूल आगे स्पोर्ट्स लेवल के अंदर भी आगे बढ़े और बच्चों के लिए जो स्पोर्ट्स फैसिलिटीज है वो भी कवर करते रहे, ताकि बच्चों का एजुकेशन मोड पे और स्पोर्ट्स मोड पे दोनों साइड बच्चे जिस फील्ड में अपने लिए अपने आप को कंफर्टेबल महसूस करते हैं या वो जिस फील्ड में आगे जाना चाहते हैं, तो उनकी पढ़ाई के साथ साथ उनका स्पोर्ट्स लेवल भी बढ़ता जाए। और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आज को टेक्नोलॉजी लेवल पे आप लोग बहुत आगे जा रहे हैं और ये बहुत हमारी स्कूल जितने हमारे कल्याण में स्कूल्स है, तो इस लेवल की फैसिलिटी के साथ और आप लोग जिस तरह अपने कौम के लिए इतनी अफोर्डेबल फीस के अंदर इतनी सारी फैसिलिटीज बच्चों को और पेरेंट्स को अवेलेबल करा रहे, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ये बहुत ही बड़ी बात है। और मैं यही दुआ करूंगी कि इसी तरह हमारी स्कूल आगे बढ़ती रहे, हमारे बच्चे स्कूल के और आगे जाए और आगे बढ़ते रहे।
थैंक यू मैडम। हमारे यहाँ स्पोर्ट्स फैसिलिटी की भी है। अभी एक ही ग्राउंड बचा है, एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि आपको वो ग्राउंड म्यूनसिपालिटी का जो ग्राउंड है वो आपको यूज करने मिले। मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ हमारे गवर्नमेंट रवि भाई को बोलने की।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। अल्फा स्कूल के इस शानदार प्रोग्राम में हमें कॉर्पोरेटर को चीफ गेस्ट बुला के बुलाया, इसके लिए मैं अपने तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ। आज का दिन अल्फा स्कूल के लिए ऐतिहासिक दिन है, एआई एंड रोबोटिक लैब का इनॉग्रेशन। देखिए आज तालीम का मतलब सिर्फ एजुकेशन का मतलब सिर्फ बुक्स नहीं रहा है, पढ़ना नहीं रहा है। दुनिया तेजी से बदल रही है, एआई और रोबोटिक का दौर है और मुझे फक्र है कि हमारे कल्याण जी एक स्कूल ने इसमें बदलाव में सबसे आगे है। माशाल्लाह, मैं स्कूल को मुबारकबाद देना चाहता हूँ। ये सिर्फ एक लैब नहीं, कंप्यूटर रूम नहीं, ये हमारे बच्चों के सपनों की उड़ान है, लेबोरेटरी है। ये हमारे बच्चों को सिखाएगी, कोचेंगे और कल देश का नाम रोशन कराएंगे इंशाअल्लाह। मैं मेरे साथ यहाँ बैठे तमाम हमारे मेहमान को इस्तकबाल करता हूँ और मैं अल्फा स्कूल के तमाम स्टूडेंट्स को मुबारकबाद देता हूँ और दुआ करता हूँ कि इस लाभ से ये कामयाबी का जरिया बने। जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र। शुक्रिया, जज़ाकल्लाह खैर।
अभी हमारे आज के लास्ट स्पीकर है मिसेस समीना शेख, जो हमारे वेल विशर है।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मुझे यहाँ पर बुलाने के लिए आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। यहाँ की मैं जो दोनों प्रिंसिपल है, साबिरा मैडम और नसरीन मैडम, इनका मैं तहे दिल से शुक्रगुजार हूँ क्योंकि उन्होंने हमें स्कूल के जो भी काम रहते हैं सीआरसी के ताल्लुक से बता रही हूँ, तो मेरे एक बोलने पर उन लोगों का काम फौरन मेरे पास आता है। और ये जो आज यहाँ पर प्रोग्राम अरेंज किया गया इसके लिए मुझे बुला, इसके लिए मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ। मैं 3 नगर सेवक इधर बैठे, उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि इतनी बड़ी स्कूल यहाँ पर बनी है, लेकिन सामने जो कचर कुंडी है, प्लीज आप लोग उस पर ध्यान दीजिए। इतनी अच्छी स्कूल है, इतने बच्चे यहाँ पर आते हैं और सामने इतना ऐसा माहौल है, तो ये प्लीज आप लोग जरा ध्यान दीजिए इसके बारे में। कचर कचरे के ऊपर पीछे ध्यान दीजिए। बस मैं इतना कहती हूँ, शुक्रिया।
थैंक यू मैडम। एक तरफ मैं आप बताना चाहूंगा कि हमारे यहाँ आपके यहाँ के अगर बच्चों को हमारी स्कूल की कुछ भी फैसिलिटी यूज करना चाहते हैं, दे आर मोस्ट वेलकम। आपके स्कूल के बच्चे आ सकते हैं हमारे यहाँ। थैंक यू। अभी नाच की कर रहे शिफा पौधे।
Assalamualaikum. First of all, I would like to thank for calling me as a social worker and this working for the upliftment of the society for basically our mohalla that is a historical area. So we have to contribute in upliftment and making this historical area as a ancient area which was there in the earlier historical period. And the best wishes is my with Alpha School because this is the first minority school where AI robotics classes has been started over here. So I think so the parents have to concentrate on the children's because हमको बच्चों को इतना चैट जीपीटी बोलो या फिर AI है उससे इतना यूजफुल नहीं होना देना चाहिए ताकि उनका ब्रेन वर्किंग करना बंद करें. Let them elaborate by themselves. And I really appreciate the Alpha School, the work done by Alpha School management, trustees, and basically the most important teachers. Because teachers are the backbone of every school, which I think and everybody think of that. So thanks a lot. And whatever the cooperation help required by the social worker like us, we are always ready for that. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.
I will now request our guests to proceed for the evaluation.
Good afternoon everyone, this is Tathi Fatima. Welcome you all to our Alpha's Robotics Lab. I am from class 4th. My model shows you an inclined plane ramp. This model explains the principle of an inclined plane. It shows the difference in the effort required to lift a heavy object on a ramp than lifting it straight up. We observe that less force is needed to move a heavy object on a ramp than lifting it straight up. Thank you for your attention.
Good afternoon. My name is Karta Abdullah Ammar from class 4B. Today I am here to present a basic car model. This model demonstrates the concept of rectangular motion. It means an object moves in a straight line. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, a warm welcome to our robotics lab. I am Ilekar Mohammed Siddiq from class 4th. This model name is Make Me Fast and Make Me Slow. This shows the process of care being used to make the thing slow and fast. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I am Fakin Shafaraz. I am from 8th standard and this is my model. This is Rick and Ponian lift. This is commonly known as elevator and construction lifts and also robotics because it provides smooth movements and accurate movements. Thank you.
Good morning. This is counterbalance. Counterbalance the balance pretzel when two weight or force is equally on opposite sides, keeping the object stable on a balanced beam. If you put the same weight on both sides, it stays level. This is called counterbalance. If you remove any one tire, the entire structure will become unbalanced. In this concept, we learn about lever fulcrum load. A fulcrum is a fixed point upon which a lever moves to the load. See.
Good afternoon, sir. It's basically a line following robot. It follows the line drawn on the ground. It uses IR sensor to detect the line and DC motors to move. It also has microcontroller to perform its movement based on a sensor's reading. I'll show you.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Mariam Karte. Welcome you all. The model name is Swing. This model demonstrates oscillatory motion, which is the movement of an object to and fro about its central position. The swing is a perfect example of this type of motion. Thank you, everyone.
Good afternoon. I am Sheikh Habiba.
And I am Ansari Sadia.
Today our project is a software called Zakat Calculator made with EduBlock Python 3. So basically Zakat is 25% of our wealth which we have to distribute among poor. Let's see, if a person having a net worth of 4,80,000, then he has to pay rupees 12,000 for Zakat. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. These are all the projects we have created in the summer camp of robotics conducted in our school.
This is Ludo Sawmill, the principle of the sawmill by combining the transmission of the motor gear with the connecting rod. It cleverly make use to the principle of mechanical transmission to transmit the power of small figure to make it work. This is DIY car and this is aerodynamic car. Zen.
This is DIY levitation ball. The switch motor is turned on to drive the fan blade to blow a bunch of airflow upwards, and the foam ball with lighter mass is placed at the air inlet to be blown upwards. This is challenge ladder, DIY magic window, wind rider water resistor. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Najim Mohammad Abdullah from Standard 7P. This model is monorail. We use rack and pinion to make this model. The concept we are going to learn here is rotational motion, which is the movement of an object by spinning around a fin line. Here, rotational motion of motor converted into linear motion is called conversion of motion. A mechanism that converts rotational motion into linear motion is called linear actuator. And this model is working as this.
Hello everyone, I am Arman from Standard 7. This model is very good. When we switch on it, the robot's hand starts moving. So the concept we will learn with this model together. Torque. It demonstrates the basic weaving process used to make clothes, and it is also used in factories to reduce the human efforts. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Anahil Mohammad Salim from Standard 6. The model which I am representing is power press machine, which is widely used to make an object from metal sheet like cutlery, etc. The concept we are going to learn in this reciprocating motion. Thank you.
Good afternoon. This is BMI calculator. This software is made in EduCAD Python 3. It asks you for your height and weight, and it tells your BMI. It also tells you whether you are healthy, obese and overweight.
If we have a person whose height is 1.65 and the weight is around 50 kg, it will directly show us if the person is obese, overweight, underweight or healthy. Thank you.